it's Dreamy Pineapple Co. And we're here finally with another video.
Today we're going to do a part 2 of a video that we've already done.
So if you haven't watched the first one, go watch that because that was super fun to make and it's fun to watch. Okay, so today's video is part 2 of tasting weird Asian snacks. So we're gonna do a little haul for you of the stuff we got and then we'll try it all.
I wish I didn't do that. Okay. Hey, first thing we got are some strawberry Oreos. Yeah.
Next we got mango high chew.
Now we got some jelly strips with a little bald man on the front.
Next we got some strawberry mochi.
And some troll cotton candy. Why do I keep dropping everything? And there's some there's strawberry, mango, and green apple. And I hate green apple, so that'll be good.
Yeah, same. Lastly, we have some sort of juice that we don't know what flavor it is. It's probably mango, but we'll find out. Let's start. First thing that we're starting with is haichu, which is like a Asian like gummy kind of thing.
Okay, I hate people watching me eat, so this is kind of like really bad for me, but
it's fine. The people like the gross stuff. That's why people like eating mukbangs or like or whatever you want to call it.
Eating. I love eating
mukbangs.
Anyway, this is what they look like.
Okay,
Beautiful.
3, 2, 1, eat.
I don't want people watching me eat.
It's good. That's really good. Kind of like stairs.
Kind of like stale.
Starburst is what I meant to say.
Next one.
Wait, we have to rate this. Out of 10, 10.
10 out of 10.
Next we have cotton candy.
Ah! It was like sitting there. It wouldn't go down. Okay. So, yeah. I call that green apple.
Green apple. I'm having.
There's only 2 of us. Why are you doing that? Okay, it's fine. Oh, it was already open. So it comes in some nice little container here. 8+ on packaging. Okay. Yeah.
No. We have to have each one. It's a
Oh my lord! Start off with the strawberry one. It smells so disgusting. It smells like it's very stale. It definitely is stale. What is
oh, that is not good.
It comes off in the middle. That's not good. I'm gonna try it again though.
I'm trying again too.
That's not even cotton
That's
candy.
not cotton candy. Ew. Okay, next flavor.
We'll have the mango one next. This one smells worse than the first one.
I like how this just came off. I'm not eating this whole thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That one's actually pretty good.
I still don't like it though.
No,
it's not cotton candy. It just that this one tastes better than that one, but last cotton candy. I hate green cotton candy even when it's normal cotton candy.
Green apple anything. Green apple is so gross. Like any green apple. Like green apple Jolly Ranchers, like
lollipops.
Everything.
What the heck?
Anything green flavored.
There we go. Can you take that? This one comes from a fork.
Did the other ones come with
yes!
They all came with forks, guys!
Okay, I'm giving this 10 out of 10.
Oh my god, I love this actually. This is so embarrassing. I have no idea why I was so excited by this.
I can't get it.
Oh no!
I can't even taste that one.
I actually like this one.
I cannot even taste that one. Okay, I have my little fork. That is so sweet. That is so sweet.
Ew.
Ew. Okay.
I like this one though.
I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10 because that one was good, but
this
the
one
other ones were
tastes
disgusting.
It actually tastes like mango, surprisingly.
What are you giving it? I'm giving it 5 out of 10.
This one's getting like a 6.
Okay.
This one's getting 3.
I did like an average of 5.
Oh, 5, yeah. But like I like this one.
The other ones were probably like a 2.
Extra plus because the little fork.
That's so cute. Next is our juice. I don't know how we're supposed to have this at the same time. Have a sip first and then you go. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, I do.
It's mango juice. It's literally mango juice.
Doesn't taste like mango juice. It tastes like water with like a little bit of that mixed.
No, this is what mango juice tastes like.
No, but it's really watered down.
Mm-hmm.
That's great, beautiful one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give that like 7.5 because I'm.
7 out of 10.
Next, we're gonna do the jelly strips.
Okay, I'm gonna have the pineapple one.
So they're kind of squishy.
I'm gonna
like,
give the packaging a good amount, but like I just feel grossed out eating this. It's like,
I'd give the packaging like a nice. Oh, it's dripping.
yeah, it's like, well, it's not a it's like Jello. It's exactly
what did you
like
expect they were
Jell-O.
gonna be? They're called jelly strips.
I know, but I'm saying it's not a solid. It's Jello. Jello's a solid, but it's like. Okay.
Wait,
I hate
mine's
Jell-O.
not. No, wait, mine's not coming out. Oh! Okay, why can't I hold anything? One. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
It has a gross texture.
Oh my god! I can
Tastes good. At least mine does.
I can't swallow this. It tastes like medicine. Oh my god, I hated that so much. I hated that so much. Also, I just spilled that juice all over me.
It's kind of a weird texture at first. But ew.
I can't.
Sorry for that, guys. Look.
I can't. Jello is.
Oh!
That's good.
Another one for the rats. No, I'm kidding. I don't have rats. I think.
Oh my god, I spilled that juice all over me. I just had some juice to wash it down. I give that a 0 out of 10. I can't. That was the worst texture, and it tasted like medicine.
This is good.
It tastes like medicine.
Are you kidding me?
It tastes like medicine. It doesn't taste like candy or sweet or anything. It tastes bad.
Cool texture.
I can't. That was disgusting. Next.
Next, we're gonna have the strawberry mochi. Lovely scent.
It doesn't smell like really anything.
It smells like rice flour, because that's what it
yeah.
is. So, like,
Okay, can we taste it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
the noise of
Me too. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my nose.
They like the nastiness, Camilla.
No, that white stuff is disgusting. Ew. Okay. What's that? I rate that about 6 out of 7. I mean, 6 out of 10.
I was gonna say 7.
I realize it looks like I don't have like fat rolls, but don't worry, guys. It's just my t-shirt.
Because I
This
really,
is not my fat.
because I really liked the pink on the outside and I really liked the pink on the inside. Those were like 10 out of 10, but I did not like the white, so that brings it to like a 7 out of 10. Okay, next. The last item we have are strawberry cream Oreos.
These are pretty.
They're really pretty. Yeah.
Let's open them up. Show you guys.
They smell really.
Smell good.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I don't taste anything. Yeah, they weren't too good.
They weren't bad, but
No, they weren't bad. They just weren't good. They were like, I would say
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10 again. Solid 6.
Okay, so before we end,
This literally looks like my fat. It's not. This t-shirt always does this.
if I were to rate it, I'd
Okay,
say
no, this is getting gross. I don't like that anymore.
this is my favorite.
Yeah, I know, that's probably my favorite. And
Yeah.
then I would say the jelly things. And then I would say that.
I'd say this,
Juice.
then the
And then-
juice was really good.
And then
Then
I'd
the mochi, then the Oreos.
No, the Oreos and the mochi, then this
then the
stuff.
cotton candy.
That was okay. I like
No,
that
then the
one.
cotton candy, then the jelly is literally the worst thing I've ever eaten in my entire life.
Hey guys, so yeah, it's the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna try to post more regularly because it's been about like
A couple months.
3 months or something since you
And
last posted.
it's also really fun to film, but it's just because we had school, but now it's summer. We finished our exams and everything, so there'll be more coming. And comment down suggestions of what we can film because it's really fun.
And we're gonna try to be like more real because our other
our
videos
other
looked a
videos
little
are like, we're like
professional.
So guys, today we're gonna be taking our juice.
So today we're gonna be sipping on. Ew, no. So we're just gonna try to be a little more natural. We'll see how this goes.
And
yeah.
unfortunately, like, I'm sorry if the lighting sucks in all of our videos. We're just gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta get a little more of a
Money.
following before we get invest in some professional cameras. So yeah, subscribe.
Yes, and then you'll get better content. Basically, how it goes.
Yeah.
So subscribe, like, comment. I'll do the normal stuff. Hit that bell. Although, do we even have a bell? Like, do you need to get more followers?
I don't know. Hit the
Like,
bell if it's there. So guys, thanks for watching. Yeah.
Love you all.
Bye.
The 30 of you.
33.